Have you ever wondered what that mysterious windows.old folder is doing on your Windows 11 computer? In today's video, we are diving deep into this hidden treasure trove of files and showing you exactly how to delete it once and for all. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. When you install Windows 11, a copy of your prior Windows installation is made and stored in windows.old folder in case you just updated to a new version of Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can safely delete windows.old folder to free up a ton of space on your hard drive if your machine is operating normally following the upgrade. But you may simply delete it using the old method. Type in your search bar for disk cleanup. Wait for the calculation process. Windows will show all directories that can be excluded. Up here, it says how much space can be released by selecting them all. To delete windows.old file, go here on Cleanup System Files and wait for the process. Now, with that page open, scroll down until you find the box saying Previous Windows Installations and mark the box. Click on OK, then click on Delete Files. Now you have a giant free storage space, which depending on your machine can be quite significant.